Good morning, children. Now, as we completed the two companion lesson and book exercise, now we will complete the textbook exercise. Open page number 18. The words A and R are articles. So, A and an are called articles. So, we use A before a word beginning with a consonant sound. So the words which are beginning with the consonant sounds, then we will use A. We will use A. Okay. So a bear, a brown bear, a brown bear. So B. So we kept A. So a bear, a brown bear. B sound. So B is a consonant sound. Okay. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So the words which are starting with A, note down here children. A, E, I, O, U. So if any words are starting with these letters, then we have to keep an. So we have to keep an for the words which start with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So now we will complete the exercises. Complete the sentence with a or an. G went to the market and bought a dash and a bought dash orange and dash mango. So here O is an vowel. So we have to write an. And M is a consonant. So we have to write A. And next, dash spider is in the web. So here S is the consonant sound. So we have to write A. Next, Anna wants to sing dash song from the new film. So here S. So it is consonant sound. So A. The hen sat on dash egg. So it is starting with E. So it is a vowel sound. So we have to write an. Next, we saw dash huge ship. So H is a consonant sound. So we have to write A. So okay children, so hope you understood A, E, I, O, U are vowel and apart from these are consonants. So we have to write for consonant sound A and for vowel sound we have to write an. Okay children. Now circle the weather words in the grid. Sunny. So sunny is already done for us. SUNNY, sunny. Next, clear. So where is it? Here. CLEAR. 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 So we have completed this. Next, cloudy. Here in fourth line. CLOUDY. 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 The next, hot. Hot is already done for us. HOT. Hot. Next, bright. 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 Next, cool. 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 Next, freezing. 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 Next, rainy. 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 Okay children, complete the crossword grid. Now, complete these sentences with the words from the box. The sky is clear. The day is dash and dash. So bright and sunny. BRIGHT. 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 And sunny, 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 sunny. It will rain. There are dash dash in the sky. Dark clouds. DARK, dark. CLOUDS, clouds. Dark clouds. DARK, dark. CLOUDS, clouds. Dark clouds. When there are clouds in the sky, we call it a dash day, cloudy day. CLOUDY, cloudy. CLOUDY, cloudy day. When it rains, we hear the sound of thunder. THUNDER, thunder. So children, the sky is clear. So when the sky is clear, it will be bright and sunny. So you have to write bright and sunny. It will rain. There are dash in the sky. So when it is raining, we see next time when it will rain, you check children, it will be very dark. The sky will be very dark. Why? Because there are dark clouds in the sky. Next, when there are clouds in the sky, when there are more clouds in the sky, we call it as a cloudy day. Okay, children? And when it rains, we hear a sound. So next time when it is raining, you check for the, you can hear children, there will be a big sounds. We hear big sounds, no? Those are thunder. THUNDER, thunder. Okay, children? Complete the exercise. Now here, sorry. So, answer these questions in a sentence. Put the sentences together. It will be a description of the picture. So, I'm just telling just in a brief. Okay, children? So, what does the picture show? Flowers. The picture show the flowers. Okay. How many flowers do you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can find 4 flowers. What are the colors of the flower? Yellow and red. YELLOW. Yellow and RED. Red. Is it a pretty picture? See children? Yes, it is a pretty picture. But you have to not write like this children. You have to make the sentences. Okay. So now, cross out the one thing that you don't need. On a rainy day, what all we need? We need a raincoat, we need gumboots and umbrella. We don't need a scissor. So cross out. Next, to brush your teeth, what you need? Yes, you need a soap or paste. But you don't need a soap. You need a toothbrush and you need a wash basin. Yes. To make a sandwich. So we need bread, we need butter. And we need vegetables. We don't need milk. So strike out milk. Okay, children? So complete the exercises. Okay. Hope you understood the lesson and also complete the book exercises. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a good day.